Okay, on season 6 with Mass Medicine with Francis, we will be doing a topic known as subject formula. Subject formula. This is season 6. So assuming that on this particular topic, you are given an equation, let's say 1 over f equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v, and you're asked to make v the subject of the formula. Now, you know that the first thing to do is this. Based on what we are given, you're going to find the LCM of the denominator, and the LCM of the denominator is FUV, right? So FUV is the LCM of FUV. I hope that is clear. Then we are going to multiply each term by FUV, meaning that we'll be having UV equal to FV plus FU. Now, on this particular context, we're going to now collect the terms which can be referred to as like terms in V to one side of the equation. In this case, by doing this, you are going to subtract FV from the both sides, meaning that we'll be having UV minus FV, which is equal to FU. Then we are going to factorize the left-hand side. That's what this means. Therefore, we'll be saying that V over U minus F is equal to FU, right? Then we divide the both sides by UF, which is going to give us that V is equal to FU over U minus F. Or we can as well, we can decide to first make 1 over V the subject first, the subject of the formula, meaning that we'll be having 1 over V is equal to 1 over F minus 1 over U, which will be equal to U minus F over FU. Then we'll take the reciprocal of both sides, which means we are left with V is equal to FU. over u minus f. Now, I want you to basically understand what this means. Making of subject formula. For you to successfully make a number or an equation to become a subject formula, the first to first, which is going to be in your mind, is going to be number one. This is 1 over f equal to 1 over u, right? Plus 1 over v. Because what we are asked to do here is we're asked to make v the subject formula, not u nor f. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, we will now find the LCM, which the LCM is FUV. Then, because we've gotten that, we collect the like terms in V to one side of this equation, which means that we're going to subtract FV from the both sides. And subtracting FV from the both sides, it means that what we'll be left with is UV minus FV is equal to FU. Now we are going to factorize the one on the left hand side. When you look at the terms that are here, you will see that there is a common term here. What is the common term? V is here, V is here too. So therefore, in doing this factorization, we are going to bring out the V outside. We are going to bring out this particular V, which is outside. Bringing it outside means that we'll be having in brackets u minus f. That is a correct factorization means. Then we still have this. Because we have this, we can now say let's divide the both sides with the coefficient of v, which is brackets u minus f in brackets, right? And remember that what you do to the left, this is the left, is what you do to the right. The whole thing, the whole process, what it entails is that we need to make V to be the subject formula. So V standing alone on its own is what we are asked to do. Okay, sorry for that. V, that's this particular V here, standing on its own is what we are asked to do. So whichever way which we do that and making sure that we follow the right procedure, then that is what is asked. Now, you can also follow this particular process by saying that let's make 1 over V the subject formula first. In making 1 over V the subject formula, we will still come to the same point of doing the same, of getting our V the subject formula. That's what it means. Then we are now going to take the reciprocal of both sides. And in doing that, we'll have that V is equal to FU over U minus F. Now, because we've actually discussed this, just like we always do, we always give ourselves a particular question just to tackle, to know if we can actually get it right. Now, assuming that, and remember that we are doing everything to be growing our community. So the more we grow this our community, the more we get very familiar with the terms. Now, assuming that what we are asked to do based on, let me just say, a classwork, just a work to just take and do by yourself, is doing 1 over u plus 1 over v is equal to 2 over f. And we are asked to make our u the subject formula. How are we going to do this? Don't forget that you're going to make your u the subject formula, not your v or your f. Please always remember to subscribe, you turn up your notification bell for more, and share to your friends, invite your friends, bring everyone that you know to come to Mass Medicine with Francis. I will see you in the next episode, which is going to be season 7. So thanks for your time.